sunlight, a generous gift to all life on our planet, showered by the immortal of the skies. An infinite energy provider. Every day this mighty orange orb descends infinite amount of energy onto our planet. And harnessing this power for human needs is the immediate need of the hour. Today, as we speak of eco-friendly renewable energy and pollution-free environment, 24 years ago, some innovative minds had thought of a solution and had put their thought into action. Established in 1998, Orange Solar, also known as Sunzone Solar, is the pioneer organization in manufacturing and promoting solar-powered products in India.
We started this company in the year 1998 to harness the renewable energy products for the usage of domestic and industrial purpose, which in turn will reduce the carbon footprints on environment. Initially, we started this company with a manpower of 5 to 6 members. Now we have more than 100 employees in our company. I am happy to say that they are also a part of global cause. We mainly produce solar water heater in evacuated tube collectors and flat plate type of collector systems. And also, we produce solar street lights, solar on-grid systems and solar off-grid systems also.
We have approved from Government of India, government agencies like Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and also state nodal agencies. We are also an ISI and ISO certified company.
We have very good automated production line to produce solar water heater of all types, including stainless steel non-welding technology, copper tanks, glass line systems and galvanized iron systems also.
We have served more than 2.5 lakhs happy customers by installing more than 3 lakhs systems all over India. Some of our prestigious customers are Indian Railways, BEL, HAL, Rourkela Steel Plant, RBI, MES, Himurja, KSRTC, ISAC, NPTI and many more. We are also serving numerous private organizations like Blue Star, Samudra Shikaram, Amazon, Apollo and many more.
We have a plan for further expansion. We have started the construction of new plant. It will be inaugurated by next year.
We have a strong presence in all South Indian states and a few North Indian and Northeast states as well. So we have a plans of exporting to South Asian countries and African countries. So it may happen in very near future.
We have an accurate plan and strong convictions to serve more than 5 lakh customers by the year 2025.
Full manufacturing process of Orange Solar water heaters. SS304 food grade stainless steel sheet is cut according to the inner tank size. Steel sheets hole punching and embossing takes place in the turret punching machine. Cylindrical shape for the inner tank shell is prepared by automatic seam welding machine. Dishes are prepared for the inner tank shell. Then the automatic nipple welding takes place to create inlet and outlet of water for the tank shell. Then, the resistance Taka welding is done to hold the nipple connection strongly. Flanging is done to the inner tank shell. This process prepares the tank's edges to fix the dishes. Then the gumming is done to the dishes. The dishes are attached to the tank shell using non-bending technology. Orange Solar holds a huge stock of these inner tank shells. The tanks go through a leak test. A professional makes sure the tank shell is perfect. Cutting of sheets for the outer cladding is done according to the required sizes. Bonding of the outer cladding is done. Side edges knurling is done to fix the end caps. Then the tool grinding takes place. Inner tank shell and outer cladding are placed together and the puff insulation is done. Embossing and hole punching for the outer caps are made using automatic machines. The tank's edges are closed with the outer caps. Stand parts are made with automatic roll forming machines. Steel cutting is done as per required sizes to create other parts of the stand. Bending is done to the stand parts using an automatic machine. Arch for the stand is prepared. This part holds the tank. Orange Solar also offers Diamond Glass Line Solar Water Heater, which has the most advanced technology in solar water heater manufacturing. This coating suits any type of hard water worldwide and keeps it free from rust and corrosion. It is also a good insulator of heat, hence the water remains hotter for a longer duration. This German material makes the product run maintenance-free for more than 20 years. Its features are such: once installed, you get trouble-free shower for lifetime. Orange Solar holds a huge stockpile of Diamond Glass Line solar water heaters. In all the different products manufactured with various capacities, the inner drum is made of SS304 food-grade stainless steel. The drum is capable of easily overcoming challenges such as damages caused by hard water, tinkering, etc. and provide long life to the product due to non-welding technology. A thick layer of polyurethane foam is created around the drum to maintain the hot water temperature for more than 24 hours even in low temperatures such as 2 degrees Celsius. Another key component that makes Orange Solar water heaters exceptionally efficient and also puts the product's functionality into action are the 3-layer coated glass tubes. Each of this glass tube contains an inner layer made of nickel, aluminium and copper. Each metal placed on a different layer. Nickel exposed to the exterior, followed by aluminium in the mid layer and copper as the inner and third layer. These glass tubes function as heat absorbers when sunlight falls onto them. They absorb and make use of more than 98% of the solar energy emitted onto them by the sun and transform them into heat energy. The heat is transferred to the inner layer of the tube, which in turn passes the heat onto the water flown into these tubes. The heated water is pushed upwards and into the drum because of its decreased density, and the cooler water is pushed down into the tubes. Thus, all the water is heated cyclically and stored in the drum. The tank's inner section is cleaned using a vacuum cleaner. Stickering is done to the tanks. The tanks are box packed. Huge stock of all models will be maintained in godowns and will be supplied on priority basis. Trained professionals from Orange Solar will visit the customer's place and provide free installation in addition to a 5-year and a 10-year warranty depending on the selected model.
Once you install the Orange Solar water heater, there is no running cost, there is no expenditure, there is no maintenance. It is absolutely free. It is one of the best products available in present market.
Can proudly announce it is one of the best products available in today's market and in its category. It is available in so many different sizes to meeting our customer needs and budgets too.
I am Vincent from Omega Electricals and Power Solutions. I am distributor for Sunzor Solar Systems from last 5 years. I have sold more than 5,000 systems for different customers from last 5 years. The product was very excellent. We have very good feedback from all our customers. The company is having a fully automated production plant. I am proud to be associated with Sunzor Solar System India Private Limited.
My name is Prem Kulaso. I have a firm known as Western Ghats Pharmaceuticals. I am manufacturing products like Ayurvedic medicines. I have been using Orange Solar water heater from last 5 years. Some people might ask why I should use Orange Solar water heater. By using 200 liters of Orange Solar water heater, it is as equivalent as 1500 liters of diesel consumption per year. As an Ayurvedic manufacturer, I would recommend everybody to use Orange solar water heater because it is economical, eco-friendly and saves energy.
We make customer dreams into products by producing world-class solar water heaters. Our customers are the ones who inspire us constantly upgrade our products with increasing quality and efficiency. People who can think contributing towards green energy, people who can think of reducing carbon footprints on environment, people who can think of savings and electricity charges every month. I request every customer be a part of this global cause. Use Orange solar water heater.
Vision and innovation powered by new generation's need for sustainable green energy. Orange Solar is powering infinity for a better tomorrow. Orange Solar Water Heaters powering infinity, a Sunzone product.